Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to make another AI generated music video using a platform called Decoherence. So let's take a look at their website. This is the homepage. I think it is similar to other AI video generator tools where you actually purchase credits. And I think one of the most important things that you guys would probably want to know is the pricing. They have three packages, which is the basic, which is $9 a month and includes 3,000 credits, 10 minutes plus a video, up to 1 minute long videos, 4 AI styles, upscale, auto-reactive effects, spread into 5 projects. The creator package is $29 a month, which includes 15K credits, more than 50 minutes of generated video, up to 5 minute long videos, 8 styles, upscaling included of course, any aspect ratio, and 20 projects in total. And the biggest one, which is the director, which costs $89 a month, is 60K credits, up to 10 minutes long videos, 200 plus minutes of generated video, 8 unique AI styles. Again, I think the rest is the same except that you get 50 projects in total. And if you opt in for the try out, you can get try 300 free credits. How much credits are worth? So basically every second has a credit cost. The different aspect ratios cost different amount. Square videos cost around 5 credits per second, and portrait and landscape videos, which is in particular what we are interested in, cost 8 credits per second to generate. 300 trial credits would be how much? Around 37 seconds. So we're going to explore this together. And with this, I'd like to offer you a 10% discount if you use my link in the description to sign up to any of those packages. You can even sign up for the basic one with a 10% discount if you use my code ChromaCat10 using the link for signups in the description. Here I am signed into the dashboard. You basically have on your account in the projects directory. So we're gonna go with creating a new project, and right at the start we get to choose our aspect ratio, the portrait mode, which is suitable for reels and shorts and TikToks, the 3/4, and the 16:9, which is, like the standard aspect ratio for horizontal videos. We are going to make a video in this case for YouTube, so we're gonna go with that option. There is a tutorial which you can watch if you want. What do you want to see? Let's give a little bit of a background of the music that I made, of the track that I made. It's pretty short. I did my own cover of the Silo TV series theme soundtrack. The idea probably, or the visuals that I would like to see, probably some desolate place, post-apocalyptic, or machinery. This is what I imagined when I listened to this. This is probably what I'm going to go with. I think there is buttons here, prompt, guide, and randomize, that probably will give you some ideas of how it's good to write your prompts. Full figure or Android woman, sci-fi, futuristic, digital art, beautiful, gorgeous 3D render. There is a prompt guide where you can, if you want, you can spend your time and polish your prompts. I don't want to go that deep. I like simple things. So we're gonna go with post-apocalyptic landscape, desolate, machines, sci-fi, futuristic. You can also choose to remove something from the scenes. Extra limbs, extra legs, given as an example. Watermark, logo, text, subtitles, captions. Yeah, why not? I'm looking a little bit down in the editor and I can see that you can, you have like a timestamps zone. Probably this is for if you want to switch scenes, you know, like every 10 seconds you get to a new scene, different setup. Let's pick something up. This one. This is a good starting point. As I thought, you can import your image to start with if you don't want to go with the prompting. Very weak zoom out. I wonder how this is going to look like. Global default. So this is the default style that is, you know, ever changing, ever evolving, similar to what we had on one of the other platforms. Here are the styles, but I'm not sure if you see them because of my cam, so I just removed the cam styles and actually see the editor I was talking about. Sorry, it was my bad that I didn't understand that it's going to be, that I'm going to be covering this editor. So basically I was talking about the editor that you can add up different scenes with different images, with different effects on them in different styles. I want to go with the horror though, and I want to see how do I add my audio. Actually, I'm going to add my audio. So I guess I upload it from here. Now, as soon as I uploaded my audio, it actually separated, or right now is trying to separate probably, analyze the audio into different stems. So the drums, the vocals, and the bass and other. So now we have the play button here once I added the audio. And I think this is used if you want some effects or changes to happen depending on one of these stems. Okay, right now we don't have anything. I guess we need to generate the video first. Okay, to continue making videos, please answer a few short questions. So I'm not sure if we can have like a preview before we make the video because I still haven't added any other scenes, but if I continue, if I drag this one single image to the end, yeah, okay, in the style of horror, and I can't add, one thing I noticed that, can I add different effects? Oh yeah, I can. So I can choose to have zoom out, let's say the first 30 seconds, and then I can add a different effect to be, let's say, zoom in, which is gonna be very weak, and I'm gonna, this is the sync with audio. I'll do it with the drums. Yeah, the zoom out also can be done with the drums. And yes, for another 30 seconds. So at 1 minute, I'm gonna do tilt up, till down, move right. Let's move to the right. Let's move it to the right till the rest of the video. And yeah, but I can't change the style. I can't add another style. I think only if I add a new scene, I will be able to add a new style. So let's do it. Let's do and see what's gonna happen now. So what I have in my project is 3 different effects triggering on different parts of the video, 1 style and 1 image across the whole video. So right now it's telling me that it's a 2-minute long video. It's gonna cost me almost 1K credits. And I wonder how long it will gonna take to generate, because I think this is also very, very important. Because the last videos that I did with another platform took me hours to generate. Okay, I put a timer and let's see how long it will take. All right, we are back with the video. Basically, it took almost 23 minutes to complete it. So the video is complete. Okay, let's take a look at the video. I'm not sure if I can see the resolution of that one, but you can download it right from here or upscale it. So let's first take a look. I think this transformation is a little bit faster than I thought. Remember, this is with the drums. Okay, actually I have to admit that the video is not bad at all. It captured the mood really good. So I'm going to upscale this video and let's actually also see how long it will be to upscale it. And then I'm going to make another video with a reference, starting with the reference image from Sao. So it didn't ask me to what's going to be the upscaled resolution. I don't even know what resolution is that. Probably it will be good for the creators to add such information. Let's see how long it will take to upscale it. All right, we are back and the upscale took about 10 minutes. Downloaded. And let's see how big it is, what's the resolution and so on. File is around 78 megabytes. And the resolution is 1024 which is not 4K or Full HD, what that I was expecting, but it's still good. It looks like this. I thought we said without any labels or captions. What does hori mean? Anyways, let's try a new project and start with the image. And this image is, make the image less than 4 megabytes. All right. Let's make the image less than 4 megabytes. And I know that you guys probably will want to use the full potential of the software, and it will be best if you create all those different scenes using different images, you know, trying to tell a story like a movie and everything. You're gonna want to add different scenes, you know, tell a story and stuff like that. So go ahead for the purpose of this video and try to make it faster. Just show you the workflow. I will just try to be using one image. It's interesting to see. It doesn't allow me to generate a video if I don't add audio. Maybe, you know, I will generate only 20 seconds to for or okay 30 seconds, because the bigger drums start over here, so that we can see. Right now we can only preview the music, we can't preview any parts of the video, you know, like basic video editor controls over here. I would just say sci-fi, so remove any labels, words. So for 30-second video, it will cost me 237 credits. Let's wait and see. There is also one important thing that I'd like to mention, is that you get commercial rights to the videos, so you can use them and monetize them for your projects. So this is something that I always check when I use a platform that I create stuff on it, are the copyrights. Also, another thing that I'm reading here in the FAQ section is that if you cancel your membership, you will be able to use your credits until the end of your, you know, billing period, which means that if I cancel today and I'm being billed in 3 weeks, I will still be able to use those credits until the end of this period. If you run out of credits, you can refill and build more credits inside. Okay, I see wording over here again. Who Lady? Is that a movie? I said without no words, but alright, this is the result for that. I'm gonna remove labels, words, and faces, and I'm going to try another style, which is going to be the fantasy. And I don't want this. Let's generate some images and see if there is something that will come up. Okay, this is a bit more fantasy that I wanted. Maybe the horror style was good, but I will go with this one. Let's go with strong drums, and I'm gonna generate this video. We are back with the other video that we created, the other short video, 30 seconds, with the fantasy preset. Here we go. This is with a more dramatic effects on the beat. There actually is no beat here in the beginning. I should have moved a little bit, but so let me know what you think about Decoherence. Would you like to try it out? Use the sign up link in the description and 10% off your plan with ChromaCat 10 code on checkout. And thank you so much again for watching. See you in one of the next videos.